Brad, I feel overwhelmingly lucky and proud to be standing beside you today. You are my soulmate, my lover, my best friend. Thank you for accepting all that I am and all that I come with. You have brought such a deep sense of peace and fulfillment to my life. As I stand before you, our family and friends today, without reservation, I promise to love you. In distressing time, I will comfort you. I will encourage you to achieve your goals. I will grow old with you, laugh at all your corny jokes, challenge and inspire you. I promise to stand by you throughout the good and the bad. Thank you for always supporting and loving me unconditionally. I know I haven't always made that easy. We have already created such a beautiful partnership, and I can't wait to spend a lifetime creating more memories with you. I love you.
Padden, you are the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. My best friend, partner in crime, and arch nemesis in any air hockey tables we come across on this journey we call life. I fell in love with your infectious smile, your wonderful personality, and the beauty I see when I look at you and the family we have grown together. I pledge to listen to your advice and occasionally take it. I pledge never to keep score, even if I'm totally winning. I pledge to always admire your huge, strong, kind, and determined heart. I pledge that I will love you through the ups, downs, and everything in between. I find myself trying to catch my breath to believe this is real, that I'm marrying my true love, my heart's desire, and my best friend. I cannot wait to continue this journey with you by my side.
I built up walls like mansions to the sky. Protect my heart so it would survive. But you climbed in like no one else could do. The day I knew I needed you.
May all that you are always be love. May all that is love always be in you. May your love be as beautiful on each day as you share it with your friends today. And may each day be as precious as the day before and the day that you fell in love. May you always see and encourage the best in each other. May the challenges life brings your way make your marriage even stronger. And may you always be each other's best friend and greatest love. Padden and Brad, I want to wish both of you much love and happiness as you begin your new journey. Remember to keep a lot of laughter in your life, and love will never be far. Padden and Brad, you have pledged to your commitment to each other in the company of two wonderful family and circle of friends. By the power vested in me in the state of Connecticut, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Mom.
Yeah!
New day coming, got my soul running. Look to bluer skies. Heartbeat drumming, got my blood humming. Feels like I'm a fly. I'm ready for it. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me.